So in this video, we are going to look at paraphrasing and summaries, how to do this. Okay. This is one of the first questions that we are going to look at, and the pattern will be similar, and the method that we are going to use is the simplest method I found out that can work in the small time that we have in the exam. So let's start with the paragraph. India will start Siberian crane breeding program in the country to increase the number of birds in the wild. While a similar plan did not take a couple of years ago, the Environment Ministry is hopeful that this time around technology will be the key mover. Cranes are given flight training as part of the experiment in United States to train the cranes raised in captivity to team up with those born in the wild. The microlight aircraft guides them on their migratory route till they get accustomed. Now, India will do the same to breed the Siberian cranes at Bharatpur, where their numbers have dropped drastically from more than 120 pairs 8 years ago to a handful which arrive from Siberia. One of the main reasons is the lack of water at Bharatpur and the encroachment around the wetland. Now, once we have gone through the paragraph, we know there are two major topics that I've discussed, right? The first is India starting a crane breeding program to increase the number of birds in wild. The plan did not succeed a years ago, but this time technology will be used. So this is the second point. The technology is the first one. The first one is the crane breeding program. Second one is the technology. Then we have been given details about that crane flight training, which happened in United States, used with a microlight aircraft guiding them, so that the crane raised in captivity will be able to catch well with those born in wild. Now we come back to India. India will do the same to breed the Siberian cranes at Bharatpur, where the numbers have dropped drastically for more than 120 to a handful. Now this is also related to the first topic itself, crane breeding program in India. This part about technology was about US arrive from Siberia. One of the main reasons is the lack of water. One of the main reasons is lack of water at Bharatpur and encroachment around the wetland. Now let's look at the options and decide which theme has been explored better in the summary, because it can happen that one option will explore this technology part only and leave all else, which cannot be a paragraph. Also, one part can be about just about crane breeding program in India and can skip on US technology training program, which also will not be the correct one. So let's see what is the best option among the following. India will start a program to breed Siberian cranes in order to increase their number in wild. This is okay. A similar plan had failed previously. This is okay, but this skips out on declining numbers. It's not discussed here. Then training program is not discussed here. Okay. And the reason behind declining numbers is not discussed here. Reason behind decline is not discussed. So 3 points are not discussed. Let's just put it here. India will start a Siberian crane breeding program. This is okay. At Bharatpur, okay, as their numbers are declining. So we have got that. One of the reasons for decline is lack of water. Reason behind decline is done. So the option B is better than option A. So we'll just erase this. The only thing missing in this, as far as I am concerned, is US training. Right? This is the only point that's missing. Now, this is the best option so far. C. India will start a breeding program for the Siberian cranes. Okay. In the US, cranes are given flight training as a part of experiment. Okay. Now India will do the same. Now it's just talking about USA training. It is just talking about USA training. Now what they have missed in this option is decline numbers. Decline in numbers, reason behind decline, and the plan of technology. That they have not discussed. So they have discussed about the experiment. What that experiment is, they have not discussed. So there are majorly two. Even if we say that plan is not important here, majorly 2 points are missing, right? As compared to B, 1 point is missing. Compared to C, there are 2 points missing. Okay, so 1 point here and 2 points here. Let's look at D. The number of Siberian cranes has dropped drastically from more than 120 pairs to a handful. This is a bit more detailed to be a paraphrase summary. Drastical decline is okay, but this information is unnecessary. And so India is now planning to start a breeding program Okay. The reason behind the decline is lack of water. Now, this is a sentence which is a little bit misleading. The reason behind the decline is lack of water is okay, but it's not the only reason. It's one of the main reasons. It's written here, right? So this option is misleading the fact. Hence, D cannot be the answer. Now, in between B and C, B is escaping on 1 point, C is escaping on 2 points. Hence, we'll choose B as the better option rather than choosing C, which has 2 points missing. Okay. I hope this method is one of the elimination method, you can say, but this is what I usually do to get paraphrases done in a less amount of time. Even if you did not read the entire passage and start reading the points that options had, you would have considered a lot of different points that the options had, but the paragraph did not discuss. Then that option can be easily eliminated. If certain options cover more number of points, you choose that entirely. I hope you understood the method and I hope you liked this video. So if you liked, hit like, and for next upcoming videos, please stay tuned and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.